Today we're making soft and chewy chocolate chip pizzokie. Take a large bowl and add 2 1/4 cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt in it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in it. Mix all the dry ingredients well and set aside. Take a large bowl and add 3/4 cup melted butter in it. Add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar and 200 grams of brown sugar. Mix all the ingredients well. Add 2 large eggs and whisk. Now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix all the ingredients with the help of a whisk. Now add the dry ingredients in the bowl. Add 200 grams of chocolate chip in it. Now transfer dough to your prepared dish lined with parchment paper and spread toward the edges, giving it a rough smooth. Bake for about 35 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. The cookie bars are done when the edges are set and golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out mostly clean. Let the cookie bars cool in the pan for about an hour before removing and cutting. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!